Kia ora te whānau, kei Rotoroa mātou I tēnei wā, he hi tuna te mahi I tēnei wā. So here we are at the annual tuna harvesting for Ngāti Apa ki te rātō at Rotoroa. It's really significant for us in that one, we know that we're connected to this area and that we have a spiritual connection to the area and that this was our pātaka kai, but also in our claims process, in our deed of settlement, there is a section there that acknowledges Ngāti Apa's connection here and provides us with an opportunity to come here and to harvest tuna. So for the last 5 years we've been doing this as part of our hui ato.
This is one of our special places for Ngāti Apa ki te rātō.
For me it's the transferring of that mātauranga Māori from one generation to another generation. So again, whether it's our reo, whether it's weaving, whether it's carving, whether it's harvesting tuna, that our expression of Ngāti Apa ki te rātōtanga, or that what makes us uniquely Ngāti Apa ki te rātō, gets passed down to the next generation.
What we're here to do today, we're actually here to set our hinaki, and tomorrow morning we will actually go and collect them. A mahinga kai was basically weka, yep, eels and blue ducks. They were abundant here.
There are two kōrero around the creation of Rotoiti and Rotoroa, and he created the whole landscape and made his way from Whakatū throughout to Tauihu, and then made his way down into Ngaitahu country. So that's one lake. And the other version is that we talk about, and this is more of a kurahaupō story, around kupe and te whekea muturangi.
Kia ora, I'm Lucas and we're here at Lake Rotoroa for the annual tuna harvest for Ngāti Apa ki te rātō to supply for our AGM. Got a couple tuna, just getting a couple more.
They're really slimy and we've got heaps of big ones, but we let one of the big ones go.
And then we set the nets, we tied them to a tree and stretched them out into the lake and then left them there. Came back overnight and they were full. It was a writhing mess of black bodies, just wow. And we were like, the whānau's gonna be fed. And yeah, it's been a great time and Lots more to come.
So it's been lovely being here with our pakeke and them teaching our rangatahi this art of tuna. So we've caught our tuna and we're back to Omaka Marae to process it. True. Te whānau kei Rotoroa mātou I tēnei wā, e hini tuna te mahi I tēnei wā. So here we are at the annual tuna harvesting for Ngāti Apa ki te rātō at Rotoroa.
How's that, bro? Amazing. What's it taste like? Tuna. Smoked tuna.